How to stay green in Microsoft Teams for Mac. In this video, I'm going to show you how to keep green status so you can always appear online to your coworkers. And if this video helps you, please consider giving a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. When using Microsoft Teams, this green checkmark appears next to your name to show that you're active. If you don't move your mouse for 5 minutes, it will turn yellow, letting your coworkers know that you're away. To keep this green forever, we need to go to the App Store and download a free app called Amphetamine. Go ahead and download this. Once it finishes, go ahead and open it. The first time you open it, Amphetamine is going to ask for accessibility controls. To turn this on, open your system settings, click privacy and security, then click accessibility and check on Amphetamine. You'll have to enter your password and you may need to restart the Amphetamine app afterwards. Once this is done, you'll have a new icon at the top of your screen. This new icon is your Amphetamine app. Click on it and browse to the settings. Once in the settings, click on System Control. Under Cursor, check the Move Cursor and have it set to every 1 minute after 1 minute of inactivity. Then click on Session Defaults and make sure where it says Default Duration, it is set to indefinitely. Another fun fact is that if you go to the Appearance tab, you can change the way it looks. This icon is used to display whether Amphetamine is running or not. I like the sun and moon because it will show a sun if it's running and a moon if it's not. You can right-click on the icon to turn it on. While the sun is on, your computer will never sleep, it will move your mouse every minute, and you will always stay green on Teams. When you're done for the day, make sure to right-click on it to turn it to a moon, which turns the program off. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.